Here I have NOKIA 7.1, and let me show you top tricks and hidden features on the following device. Okay, let's start with the first one. Let's scroll down and choose System. Now we need to tap on Display, and here we have Adaptive Brightness. Let's tap on it. Now we can turn it on, and now our screen will automatically adjust to the environment or our activities. Let's go back and let me show you the second feature, which is Fingerprint on notification. Let's scroll down to System, and now tap on Gestures. Here we have Fingerprint for notifications. You need to turn it on, and now using the fingerprint sensor I can scroll down the notification bar, just like that. Okay, let's jump to the next one, which is Do Not Disturb Preferences. Let's tap on Sound, and here we have Do Not Disturb. Now we can schedule our Do Not Disturb mode, make for example, some exceptions, and set the behavior of this mode. Okay, let's go back, and now let me show you the night light. Let's go to Display, and here we have the night light. Night light is basically just the blue light filter. We can use it, for example, at night or in the evening. We can choose the intensity. Okay, let's go back, and now let me show you the last one, which is Jump to Camera. Let's go to System and tap on Gestures. Here we have Jump to Camera. We need to turn it on, and let me show you how it works. Where our screen is turned off, we just need to double tap on the power key. And now, as you can see, our camera launches. Okay, let's go back, and that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel and leave a like under the video.